Now construction 11th chapter, that is the last chapter for this semester. So first one is division of line segment. So two methods are there for that one. So we'll discuss both the methods, whatever you feel easier you can do. So let us first method let us discuss. First you have to divide a line segment in the given ratio. That ratio will be given, and how much is the line segment, that also they will be given. So let us draw one rough figure here. So this one is example how to draw that one. So I am not taking it clearly how much centimeter you have to take. So let us take AB. Okay, AB is a line segment. Now how to represent, how to draw that one. So last year from 8th standard we are learning how to construct an angle 60, 45, 30 like that, no? So I hope you remember that one. So here also you have to construct a acute angle. It can be 30, 45, 60, whatever. So you have to draw an acute angle in this one, so downwards. So I am drawing here 60. One arc without changing the compass, the distance you mark that one. So this one will be 60 degree. You can draw 30 or 45 also, but using the compass only. So it is better to draw 60. So in one construction it will be over. Okay, so we draw 160 degree angle. Now AB is the given line, don't touch that one, but we have drawn this line. So divide that one. So let us divide this into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts we are going to divide. Okay, now we are going to divide it in 2/5 ratio. Okay, so 5 equal parts we have to divide it. So one example we took, 1 minute. 5 equal parts are, so it is given that one question is given that. Let us draw that one. First one, draw a line, a ray AX making an acute angle. Locate 5 points. So it will be 3:2 ratio they have given us, 3:2. Okay, 3:2. So 3:2, 3 plus 2 is 5. So we can divide this into 5 equal parts. So let us do that one itself. So 5 equal parts. So this line segment you have to divide into 5 equal parts. This distance you can decide. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This distance you can decide. 5 equal parts you have to divide. So let us mark that one as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Why we took 5 equal parts? They have given the ratio 3:2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now what you have to do is you have to join the last part to the end of the line segment, last part. Now last year we have learned how to construct the same angle in another place. So how will you draw? So some arc you will make. In the third part you make an arc like that, the same way. How much we are taking, the same way. Okay, now this distance you take, that also same, so cut it here also. Now look at here, this one, this line A3, it should touch A3 and this point and this line also, given line segment also. Okay, so this line, so let us mark that as C. A3C will be parallel to A5B. Now look at here, it is in the ratio 3:2. This side is bigger, this one is smaller, so 3:2. So how we have done? First we have drawn the given line segment, then we construct an angle, acute angle. Here we construct 60 degree. Then in 3:2 ratio you have to divide, so we divided that into 5 equal parts. Join fifth part to B, then construct the same angle over here, then join that part to C. So this part is 3:2. Now the same thing, another method also let us discuss. The same way, first construct the line. Here both sides you have to, let us mark that one AB. Both sides that same angle you have to construct. So one arc 60 degree, here also we will construct the same angle. Now draw that one. Okay, now here also 5 division you make, here also 5 division you make. Okay, 5 divisions, that is same distance you can make, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 here. So extend that one. Here also the same 5 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us mark that one. Here starting with A, so let us give that A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Here B1, B2, B3, B4, B4 and B5. Why we are starting with B? Now join A3 to B2. A3 to B2. Why? We have dividing this in the ratio 3:2. So join that A3 to A3 is here and B2 here. So let us join that one. Now look at here. This will be in the ratio 3:2. This part is bigger, this part is smaller. So it is in the ratio 3:2. So mark that point C. So AC will be 3 parts of AB. and BC will be 2 by 5 part of AB. Okay. Now based on this one question is there, only one question I think. So let us do that one. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 and divide it in the ratio 5:8. 11.1 first question. Now 11.1 first one, draw a line segment of length 7.6 and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. So first draw 7.8 centimeter long line segment. Seven point six. So let us give the name P Q. Now you have to divide it in the ratio 5:8. So downwards 5 you can take 5 equal parts and upwards 8 equal parts. If you are going to take 5 plus 8, that 13 part, this page is not enough for drawing. So take downwards, that is the first number 5, and upwards 8. So before that, first construct the angle 60 degree. Upwards and downwards. Now divide this one into 8 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us mark that one. P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. Here Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7 and Q8. Now join that P5 to Q8. P5 and Q8 should be joined. Now this one is in the this PQ is divided in the ratio 5:8 and measure this one. So let us mark that as S, PS and SQ and write there. So how we have done? First draw that 7.6 PQ, then draw the angle 60 over Q and P, then P pad U. Downwards you have to divide in 5 equal parts and here in 8 equal parts. Why? Because the first ratio is first one is 5. So downwards 5 you have to take and upwards 8 you have to take. and join that P5 to Q8.